All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to want to open our Google so that we can download our document as a PDF and upload it to Schoology, where the format won't change and things will be exactly as we created them. So in your Gmail, click your waffle and go to your drive. Here we're going to open our document. It should be in our quick access, or you can click on recents to see where it is, but mine's right here, so I'm going to open it up. And I'm going to want to preview and make sure it's exactly how I want it to look. Everything's created beautifully and nice. Now, if I directly upload this to Schoology, my fonts might change, things might not transfer over, things might not be available, my photos might shift, my placement of my text might shift. It could be a big mess. So to avoid all of that, I'm going to go to File and Download, and I'm going to select PDF. PDF is going to freeze everything where it's at and allow me to upload the document looking exactly how I want it to look. Nothing will change or alter. So my PDF is going to pop open, and I'm going to want to make sure that, again, everything is exactly how I wanted. Did anything shift? Did anything change? Is it perfect? If it's perfect, I'm going to do a File, Save As, and I want to put it in that folder on my desktop that all my documents are going into. So my Schoology Riley folder. So again, on my desktop, I have my Schoology folder. There's my Spirit Animal project. I want to save it. All right, now I'm done with my PDF. I can exit out of that window. I'm done with my Google Doc. I can exit out of that window. I'm going back to my Schoology homepage. For this example, I'm going to be using a demo page where I'm a student and can see what you see. So I'm going to open up my Schoology page. You would open up my page, and you would click on the Spirit Animal project, but I'm going to use this demo project, and you're going to submit your assignment. Right here, I'm going to use the upload version because I've downloaded it as a PDF. So I want to upload my file, and I'm going to find it on the desktop in that folder, Schoology, where I saved all of my stuff. There's my Spirit Animal project, and it's going to upload here. Then I can submit my assignment. And pretty much that's it in a nutshell. I hope this was beneficial and helps you out. All right, we are going to walk through how to download your document as a PDF. So the first thing I'm going to do is find my Schoology courses. Okay, I need to open up my Google document, and I'm going to go to my OneDrive. Probably use the waffle over here to access your OneDrive. And my Spirit project should pop up right in my recent quick access, or if I click on recent, it should be right at the top because it's the last thing that I worked on. I'm going to open that up. I'm going to preview it and make sure that it is perfect in the way I left it. Everything looks beautiful. Now the reason I wanted to change it to a PDF is so that when I upload my document, my fonts remain the same. My pictures stay in place. Nothing shifts and nothing changes. So in order to do this, I'm going to go to File and click Download PDF Document. It should open right up in a PDF. So that I can see exactly what it's going to look like. I want to make sure nothing changes, nothing shifted, nothing's altered. If I am satisfied with the way it looks, I'm going to go to File, and I'm going to Save As. I want to put it on my desktop where I have that folder called English 11, and I'm going to save my project. All right, I'm done with my PDF, so I can exit out of that. I'm done with my Google Docs, so I can close both of those. I'm going back to my Schoology page. You're going to click on American Literature, but to demo this, I'm going to use one of my Sandbox classes so I can be a student. And I'm going to choose a random assignment. So you will be in your correct assignment, and you will use the Submit Assignment button. And right here, we're going to upload. And I'm going to click this little box right here to find my file. And I want to upload my spirit animal project. It'll link it up there, and then I simply click Submit to submit my assignment. I hope that this is helpful and helps you do what you need to do today.